Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to star a file in Google Drive on your PC, especially with the latest updates. Starring files is a fantastic way to keep your most important documents easily accessible. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. This will take you directly to your Google Drive. Once you're there, you'll see all your files and folders neatly organized. Now it's time to find the file you want to star. You can scroll through your drive or use the search bar at the top if you know the name of the file. Once you locate the file, look for the 3 vertical dots next to it. This icon represents additional options for that specific file. Click on those 3 dots and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Organize. This option allows you to manage how your files are categorized within Google Drive. Next, after clicking Organize, you will see another option labeled Add to Starred. Click on this and voila! The file is now starred. You'll notice a small star icon next to the file name, indicating that it has been successfully added to your starred items. To view all your starred files later, simply look at the left sidebar of Google Drive. You'll find a section labeled Starred. Clicking on this will show you all the files you've marked as starred, making it incredibly easy to access them whenever needed. If you ever decide that you no longer need a file to be starred, don't worry. The process is just as simple. Go back to the file. Click on the 3 dots again, select Organize, and then choose Remove from Starred. This will unmark it without deleting the file from your drive. Starring files in Google Drive is a straightforward way to enhance your productivity by keeping essential documents at your fingertips. With these steps, you can ensure that your most used files are always just a click away. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on using Google Drive efficiently.